Chengdu Huaming Microwave technology was established in December 2009. We specializes in the research and production of RF coaxial connectors, RF coaxial cable assemblies, RF microwave components. We are committed to providing high-quality and innovative solutions to meet all customers' needs. Our factory spans 3,500 square meters, approximately 37,600 square feet, and is equipped with 26 Swiss-type lathes and 11 vertical machining centers, allowing us to achieve machining accuracy of up to 0.1 mm. We've vertically integrated nearly the entire supply chain of connector production, from initial design and sourcing raw materials to processing, assembly, and testing. Huaming provides customers with standardized, stable, and reliable products through professional processing technology and testing capabilities. It has passed ISO 9001-2015 certification of quality management system. Huaming Microwave has been working in the RF industry for more than 30 years and has been involved in major scientific research projects multiple times. It has played a leading role in the research and development of the RF connection area. The assembly process is typically carried out by experienced workers or automated machines. This step involves putting together the various components to create the final product, ensuring that each piece fits perfectly and functions as intended. With our extensive experience in process design and rigorous process control, we ensure the consistency of all connector assemblies and their yield of quality products. We utilize automated assembly for SMPKK connectors of various sizes, achieving a production rate of 3,000 pieces per day. Additionally, we employ automation in the testing and heat treatment processes, resulting in better consistency and quality control. Our RF connectors undergo rigorous testing with 6 vector network analyzers, ensuring performance up to 67 GHz. At Huaming Microwave, our dedication to excellence ensures that our high-quality, reliable RF products exceed customer expectations. Trust us to leverage our expertise to provide innovative solutions, addressing the challenges in RF connection. Thank you for choosing Huaming Microwave, where quality and performance meet.